Importing or opening an image in Photoshop does two things. It creates a canvas and places the imported image on that canvas. Now the canvas would acquire its dimensions from that imported image. Let's see this in Photoshop. In Photoshop, we can import or open an image by going to File and clicking on Open. Then we will locate the image in our system and click on Open. The image would be opened in Photoshop. Or we can also press Ctrl+O, like we can see here, Ctrl+O to open an image and then locate it in our system. So let's press Ctrl+O and select the image which we want to open and click on Open. The image would be opened in our document. Now click on this lock to unlock this layer so that we can move our image on our canvas. Now this is to be noticed that we have two things here. First is image and the layer, which is the canvas. We have not selected any particular canvas size, so the canvas would acquire its dimensions from the imported image. Like we can see by going to image, click on image size. The image size is 3391 by 5086, right? And let's see the canvas size. The canvas size is also 3391 into 5086, right? Because we had not created a canvas before importing the image, so a canvas was created with the same dimensions that of the image. Now if we want to change the dimensions of canvas, what we can do, we have to go to image, go to canvas size and put our values here. For example, we can put 1920 and height is 1080 pixels. It could be selected in pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters or anything, but we are selecting pixels here and click OK. So clipping will occur because the image is of the bigger size, so image would be clipped. Let's proceed. Now the canvas size is 1920 into 1080. Let's check it here. Go to canvas size and see 1920 and 1080. But the image size is still bigger, still original. Check by pressing Ctrl T, which is for transform. This is our image size. We can make it smaller by pressing Alt key and reducing its sizes from corner. And click on this right button. Image has been fit into the canvas, but the image size is still bigger. What we can do to trim it according to the sizes of the canvas is by selecting this layer and going to image and click on trim. So the image from all the borders from top, left, bottom and right would be trimmed away, and click on OK. And now check the size of this image. The image size would now be of the canvas size. Let's check it here. Image size 1920 and 1080, right? We can also check by pressing Ctrl T to transform. Now we have the transforming options up to this limit, up to the limits of the canvas, right? So this is the way to import an image into Photoshop. Then we can change the image size, canvas size and trim some portions of image according to the canvas size. That's it for this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.